Hello kids, welcome to my channel Learning Sunday. Kids, today we will learn shapes and color in detail. Circle is red circle, blue circle, orange circle and green is a circle. Now is square, orange square, blue square, green square and yellow square. It's a square. Triangle, red triangle, orange triangle, blue triangle and green triangle. It's triangle. Oval, it's red oval, it's orange oval, it's blue oval and yellow oval. It's oval. Diamond, red diamond, blue diamond, green diamond and orange diamond. It's diamond. Star, red star, orange star, yellow star and green star is star. Heart, red heart, orange heart, blue heart and green heart. It's heart. Semicircle, red semicircle, orange semicircle, green semicircle and yellow semicircle is semicircle. Crescent, red crescent, yellow crescent, orange crescent and green crescent. It's crescent. Pentagon, it's blue pentagon, it's green pentagon, it's yellow pentagon and it's red pentagon. It's pentagon. Hexagon, it's blue hexagon, red hexagon, yellow hexagon and green hexagon. It's hexagon. Multiplication, red multiplication, yellow multiplication, blue multiplication and green multiplication. It's multiplication. Division, it's blue division, it's green division, it's a red division and it's orange division. It's division. Question mark, it's green question mark, it's yellow question mark, it's blue question mark and it's orange question mark. It's question mark. So kids, today that's it for the shapes and colors. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel because I always bring good learning stuff for you. Okay kids, thank you. Bye.